Why the grass is green?
Grass appears green because it contains chlorophyll, which is a pigment that absorbs light in the blue and red wavelengths and reflects light in the green wavelength. When sunlight hits grass, the chlorophyll in the grass absorbs the blue and red light and reflects the green light back to our eyes, giving the grass its characteristic green color. Chlorophyll is an important part of the process of photosynthesis, which is how plants convert light energy into chemical energy and is essential for the survival of.
Why the grass is green? Explain to a child.
Sure, here's a way to explain why grass is green to a child. Grass has a special substance inside of it called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps the grass turn sunlight into energy, just like how our bodies turn food into energy. Chlorophyll is what makes the grass green. When the sun shines on the grass, the chlorophyll absorbs the light and uses it to turn water and carbon dioxide into energy for the grass. The chlorophyll reflects the green light back to our eyes, which is why grass looks green. So, the next time you see a field of green grass, you'll know it's full of chlorophyll helping the grass grow strong and healthy.